Welcome to another video from East Beds Bushcraft, the home of #survival.
So here we are back in the village, and we are working on the hunter's lean-to, which we had intended to go just here. You can see the little post sticking up. Unfortunately, there's loads of concrete blocks and things, so I just can't get the post in for that. So instead, we've moved our position over to this side, and you can see where we're starting to erect the lean-to, which is exactly what it says in the... It's a lean-to. So let's crack on with that for today and see if we can finish it off, or at least get the structure up by the end of today. So as you can see, the lean-to is progressing. We are just making some staves for the side walls. Get those in, and then we need to finish off the roof, but we're going to need to collect some more purlins for the roof. But the main structure is getting there. Sarah's over there putting some points on the staves for the sides. Doing a most excellent job, Sarah. And there we have it for today. We need to put more little staves around the outside wall, and then get the purlins on for the roof, get some canvas on there, and hey presto, we have our hunter's lean-to. We've had a grand old day down at the camp today. Just swing round. There's the Heroes Lodge, Traders Table, and the Fletcher's Lodge. Oh, and it's occupied. Hey, hi Sarah. Thanks for helping out today. Great. Anyway, catch you again soon. Bye for now.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to the East Beds Bushcraft channel. See you all again soon.